Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you step by step how to use Google Form. I'm Oboe Lawrence. When you want to use Google Chrome Form, you come to Google Chrome here, you open it. After opening it, you come to your Gmail Gmail account. When you open Gmail account, you will come to Google Apple here, Google application, you look for Google Form. Google Form is very important because it gives you ways of carrying out your data, collecting data. It can also be used for carrying out research. So when you come to Google Form here, you open it. After opening it, you come to this blank form. You double click and you open that. And here, when you are carrying out any research or anything, you come here and you make your title. Make a title. If you make a title, like mine is optic glasses as my title. Optic glass. Then here you come and you give a small description about what you're going to talk about. Like now here my description is feedback. Feedback from my customers. Yeah, you can have so many options where they're going to give you answer. Option one, you can see option one, you can add more. But now, the question I'm going to use, I want it to be short answers. So now there, if you do it like this, you can go again to add more questions. Now I'm going now to begin about the questions. Let me come back to question one about the optic glasses. This question one is I'm going to ask my customers how useful how useful is the glasses. How useful is the glass? They will give me the answers here depending on what they think about. The next question I'm going to create, I'm going to ask them, is the glass expensive? I expect them to tell me it is expensive. As I'm using this just to demonstrate how Google Form works, I'm going to go for other things. Like here, if you want to add title, you add it. Here, if you want to add an image, you do it. Here, if you want to customize, you do it. If you want to share links, I do it from here. So if I want to publish my work, I would do here. If I want to send it to anyone who is the link, I can do it. This is how Google Form works. It is a very good document. And it is a document that when you're using it, you have to be connected to internet. and you get response automatically, and your work can be saved automatically. So uh, let me stop here. Remember, like my video and wait for the next one. Thank you.